Hey babe, where are we going?
Mall.
Mall. I said to my viewers that I'm not gonna go to the mall.
You can contact Park.
Okay, we are doing this just for the sake of reporting it, right?
Yes, now we are reporters, journalists. We want to update today's journal.
Yes.
We are going into dangerous places. The other door is open.
Okay, so
Hayal kahvesi kafaya.
because the umbrellas were always open, I guess. We're gonna look there.
AC there. Comfortable.
Tamam.
And then the next week, inside of walls.
But look, it's empty.
This place was open, and I have bought chocolate for
That
coffee
night, yes.
program, yeah.
Still open.
Good.
It's gonna be hot, but remember yesterday on the balcony it was really burning.
Yes.
Look,
We have to follow.
but we're
Bir hafıza kartı.
wow, look, we're not using this.
So,
I don't know. Ooh, look out. Let's go.
it's like, I felt like I had a chip in my forehead.
Yeah, I felt like alien too, but we're gonna get used to these things. It's a new normal.
Right.
Where do you wanna go?
They take us. Yeah, too.
Sure.
Not yet.
Either. It's Love My Body, a Turkish brand.
Follow foreign.
Fine.
But it's Turkish.
I like batik.
It's a crime zone.
Yeah, it looks weird.
This open place. Visit all during
Starbucks closed.
This kahve shop, I guess it's totally closed. I don't know. Yeah, it looks like that.
They abandoned it. Ah, too bad because it was a nice place. Look, elevators are not to be used. It looks like this is how malls look like when they are abandoned.
Yeah.
No chairs, look at that.
They're fixing up things. Good.
Hello, it's me. Now they're gonna have to reduce number of tables, I guess.
I guess they're preparing for this kind of changes. Yeah. They are putting devices maybe.
Yeah. I could drink coffee right now.
You made yourself coffee last night. Wow.
Yes.
You are a junior barista.
True, huh? I think A1.
No, A2. I didn't touch it, you did.
I also use hot water.
I don't want to go down. What
Oh.
is Migros? I don't know.
We're not gonna shop in this Migros anyways.
Yes.
So you don't want to go down? Are you sure? Because I could kind of use recording.
Tamam hadi gidelim senin için. AC hiç problem. I think they turned it off.
Wait. You have to let her go.
Oh. Okay.
They really organized this nicely.
Did you check yesterday's video? Did they turn up good?
No, I didn't have time. As you know, I was in those webinars. They're actually shopping. Gratis hasn't opened. We're gonna go this way.
Yeah, ghosts in the coffee shop.
Right? How did they organize the stores? They must have separated the aisles.
Wanna go check?
Yes. We can do it from the outside.
I think they all removed dressing room.
So yes, no more trying on, right? Cool. Doesn't look different.
Yeah.
Everything is the same. Oh, Madame Coco didn't open. PNR is not open. Cinemas, of course not. Are you keeping your social distance from me? I love you, babe. Everything is fine. I think it's time to leave, right? Okay.
This is a perfect example of malls should be open.
I agree. They should be made like çarşı,
Evet.
like a little center of events and stuff.
Yes. It should be closer to street style, I mean. More
Yes, yes, I agree. Oh, no, it's not open. It would be better. What is this?
but I'm gonna do create a brand.
Say bye.